Welcome. I'm Shay, and this is Deciphering Crypto. I started this channel to help others and to share what I've learned. This is not financial advice, it's instructional, and hopefully we'll have some fun making some money along the way. Let's get to it. It's Deciphering Crypto back to continue our exchange review series. Today is cex.io. Hope you enjoy it. All right, here is cex.io. It's a pretty good looking interface. I am pretty frustrated right now with cex.io as it will not allow me to put any funds on there. I tried to put some money on there with the debit card, but it just kept working and wouldn't ever let me deposit any. It seems fairly fundamental for an exchange to allow you to put your fiat currency on it so that you can purchase currency. This is pretty much the main menu. It has these little categories up here for traders, for everyone, for business. So you have this Exchange Plus, not available in the United States. Spot trading, it does not have various trading types, so you cannot place a limit order. And even from this screen right here, I'm not exactly sure what this screen is. I don't see any way to actually place an order or to purchase. That's disappointing. So this is the trade screen where you can't purchase currency. Theoretically, you would be able to use this instant buy, although it won't let me buy anything. It just works and works and works. Earn, loan, wallet, university. This is the company. It's all about the company. I think they should figure out how to take my money before they do press releases and have a product that's actually functional. There is no links on the market, no way to get to anything from here other than no way to learn about Bitcoin. Add funds. You can add funds, and then it defaults to this ZRX wallet, although it doesn't work. As far as the user interface, little unorganized, lacks links on any of the tokens, unable to customize any type of interface at all or customize any type of experience. It only gets 2.5 out of 5 stars. As far as security, it is pretty good. It has 2-factor authentication, proof of reserves. It is audited. They do keep everything in storage. I would feel safe having currency on this exchange, provided you could get currency on the exchange. So it's so secure, you can't even put your money on it. So secure, it gets 4.5 out of 5 stars. The fees are terrible. Everything costs money to put anything on the exchange that you can't put on the exchange. Everything. Even when I was trying to do my debit card for 100 USDT, $100 worth of currency, it wanted to charge me a 4% fee and then $8 on top of that in order to put $100 on there. So that's 12%. And then it is just one simple fee schedule. The fees are absurd. It always charges you to put money on the exchange, but it is simple. But because the fees are so high, I'm only giving it 2 out of 5 stars. Features, they do seem like they have quite a few different features. They do have a affiliate program so that you could invite users and then you get 30% of fee from all exchange transactions of your referred users. The Exchange Plus is not available in the United States, which they do have an earn program that is actually fairly substantial. There are multiple currencies that are available for the earn program. So they have, as far as staking, they have all of these coins that you can stake and earn a staking percentage. So that, quite honestly, is amazing. But as far as a staking fee from a central exchange, I feel like this is, without a doubt, the highest amount of selections that I've ever seen. They do have a card, so you could get a debit card. If you could get your money on the exchange, you could spend it through a card. They do have a loan loan product, quite a few features for an exchange in the United States. Some work, some don't. I give features 3 out of 5 stars. Support, let's see, they do have a live chat and you can email them. There is no phone call. The help page is kind of strange as far as they're broken into these sections, and then there's just articles, almost like frequently asked questions. But because of the limited ways that you can get support, I'm only giving them 1.5 out of 5 stars. As far as the reputation goes, they are secure. They do have a secure site. User interface definitely needs some work. There's not a lot of terrible things in the community said. They haven't had any real bad breaches. As far as reputation, they get 3 out of 5 stars. That pretty much sums it up. There is the review of CEX.io. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's summarize. First, we have user interface. Some of the user interface is unorganized, where you have to go to get to different places. But overall, it's not too bad. Because of the trading screen, there's just no advanced trading. There's no limit order available in the United States on the interface. They get 2.5 out of 5 stars. Next, we have security. They really do have a decent security. 4.5 out of 5 stars. Then we have fees. Pay an $8 in fee to buy the USD. Then a 4% fee on top of that. And it wouldn't even work. But if it did go through, I would have been paying 12% for a $100 deposit. That's pretty outrageous. The tiers are pretty simple, but fees does get 2 out of 5 stars. Features, they really do have a lot of features if you were able to get some fiat onto the exchange. They have several currencies that you can earn staking fees, a debit card, a referral bonus. They do have a complete library of cryptocurrencies, although they don't take you to the white papers or to the actual Web3 site, so that's disappointing. But because they offer quite a few more features than a lot of exchanges do, they get 3.5 out of 5 stars. Next, we have support. Support is really dismal. They have a chatbot or email. That's their only option. 1.5 out of 5 stars. And last, we have reputation. They don't have anything out there that's really terrible for their reputation, but nothing completely stellar. So their reputation gets 3 out of 5 stars. Overall, they have so much room for improvement. Their overall score is 2.5 out of 5 stars. They really can get that score up if they get some of these features working, get their on-ramp fixed, just some simple links to some white papers and some educational material for new people. That would be fantastic and really get their score up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. I hope it's helpful. I've been doing crypto for about a year now. I'm learning so much. None of this is financial advice. Please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me on Deciphering Crypto. Have a great day.